Hey everyone, it's Jim, and welcome to Your Internet Lifestyle. Today I'm answering the question, is Quora good for affiliates? And so I'll keep this really short because the answer is yes, but you have to do it the right way. So there's a few gotchas, but I thought what I would do just up on screen here is, like why is Quora good for affiliates? And the answer is because look at this, so if you ask a question in Google search, right, there's a great chance that Quora is going to be on the first page of results, right? And so as far as getting traffic, we're talking about a site that's got like 110 million visitors a month, right? So there's a ton of traffic there. But the one gotcha is basically that you can't just spam affiliate links on there, right? You want to be helpful, you want to be adding value, right? And so the way we do that is outlined in a course that I review in the video in the link below this, right below in the description, or also I'm going to link to it here in just a second on screen. So I want you to check that out because it's a full course that kind of goes over, everything that you can do in Quora and how to do it the right way, right? How to leverage it as an affiliate to get traffic. So that's what I've got for you. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check it out and let me know what you think in the comments. If you liked this, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love to have you as a subscriber on the channel. All right, so join me. All right, thanks.